Yeah, there's at least another 2 people in those buildings. Because there's like a bunch of people in the squad.
Okay, we need to move in now.
So yeah, but they've got 2 as well. So yeah,
I do not love what's
ridge line coming over from the buildings. Out in the open.
Yep.
Good kills.
I'm dead.
You got shot.
Okay, I will be safe.
Yeah, I see. Resing.
Yeah.
Someone who shot you from the field.
With the final 2 minus the last person.
Yep.
I have 100% medkit, I'll be fine.
Nice.
He's got some sort of fucking beasting sniper though. Has he got
Okay.
any helmet of any kind?
Yeah, he's got level 3. Okay.
Yeah, keep going to the right, I'd say.
Yeah, keep working our way
Do you
around
have any
this.
rough idea where he was?
It'll be 350-ish, I would have thought. Which means he's right in open ground.
I think he's be yeah. Need the tractors. I mean, there's a few.
Like, problem is, he's probably in the circle, we are not. And we need to move.
It's fine. Just scoping it out. Okay, I see him. I see him. Direct northeast. Dead.
Well done, mate.
Yay!
Chicken dinners.
Well, I helped.